Really nice. So as a conclusion, I like the Mission Impossible Final Reckoning because really nice audio and Dolby surrounding, really nice, and some suspicious audio and really intense high pace on down. Getting intense on the high intense scene. Very well made, nice composition and audio effect, and visually seamless computer graphic and actual real camera shooting. Like really the flow of scene is really nice, and also the nice opening short cut of the sequence and and nice opening and child-friendly violence scene cared for children watching, like family watching the movie, and nice submarine scene, biplane scene, parachute stunt scenes, and really nice entertaining spy action movie, and Tom Cruise running. That's great. And that's why it's really good to see on movie theater because of huge audio Dolby surrounding changes your experience.